When you join a meeting on Windows or Mac, you have the flexibility to join with the desktop app, web app, or you can let the Webex site choose for you intelligently. On the Join page, select the arrow on the right side of the Join button to configure your join settings. When you join using the desktop app, you'll get the full-featured Webex experience. If you're joining the desktop app for the first time, you'll be prompted for a one-time install of the app. Click the installer to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, you're automatically placed in the meeting. If you can't or don't want to install the desktop app, you can choose to join using the web app. The web app gives you key meeting features for viewing and sharing content with other meeting participants. Some features may depend on which browser you use. Select Always Join from Web App from the menu. When you click the Join button, your meeting starts right in your browser without having to download or install anything. If you find that you need a specific feature that's not available in the web app, you can switch seamlessly to the desktop app at any time. If you're not sure whether to join a meeting from the desktop app or the web app, select Always Choose Best Option for me. Webex automatically decides how you join based on what browser you're using, if you have the desktop app installed, and what type of meeting you're joining. This option always uses the desktop app if you have it installed. The join option method that you choose is remembered for the next time you join a meeting. Give it a try.